You know, I've spent over 30 years putting together names, dates, places, connection, information, all of which needed doing. But my passion, what really excites me, is understanding who we are and where we are. And it's extraordinary, I mean, it's almost funny when you consider what reality is compared with the way we experience it. This world is solid, right? Well, it turns out it's not. Everything that we experience is apparent solidity and everything apart from everything else. And yet reality is nothing like that. It's just the way we experience it. And why is this important? Well, it's important because if we don't understand the nature of the reality that we're experiencing, how can we understand anything? Look at the system. You've got politicians making laws based on the world being solid and reality being the way we experience it when it's not. You've got doctors in the medical profession trying to treat people's illness, dis-ease, disharmony. You've got scientists and academia giving you a version of the world. Everything is solid and apart from everything else. So, is it any surprise that the world is a mess? It always amazes me when I see all the subjects that are discussed by humanity all the time, and all these other things that take our attention. How rarely you hear questions about who are we? Where are we? What is this place? What is this planet that we inhabit? I mean, don't we want to know? Why isn't this at the center of our attention?